Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's Thrifty Thursday, and on this video, I have for you a kids mystery shoe box from WiBargain. All right, guys, I unboxed a women's shoe mystery box from WiBargain a few weeks ago, and it was really good. You got 20 pairs of shoes. Most of them were boots, but there were some tennis shoes in there. They're all different sizes. You just didn't know what you were going to get, but a lot of the shoes in that box, most of my family was able to wear. So that was pretty awesome, and that's the main reason why I got the box. I knew there would probably not be any shoes that I would wear in it, but I was thinking, who cares? I could go ahead and give my family some new shoes. So when I got that box, the kids were so jealous watching their moms surf through this box of shoes, and there was no sizes in there for them. So I had to get the kids' shoe mystery box in hopes that I would get sizes that would fit them. So with this kids box, you don't know what gender you're going to get. You don't know what sizes you're going to get. You are guaranteed 20 pairs of shoes. The cost is $95, including shipping. So fingers crossed, I get some shoes that the kids can actually wear. Without further ado, let's see what I got this time. Okay, guys, so this box is big, but it's not very heavy. So, I mean, maybe kids' shoes aren't that heavy, or maybe they're just really cheap shoes. I don't know. We're about to find out. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and flip the flaps open here without hopefully not destroying my backdrop or destroying it, whatever. Ooh, we got packing peanuts in here too. Oh, they're itty bitties. They're itty bitty shoes. I don't know if they'll be the right sizes for my nieces or nephews, and we have some slippers in here. Okay, so we're going to start with the slippers. Oh, size 7, 8. My son can wear these, and they are PJ Masks. Oh, that is so super cute. Hold on, guys. I'm sorry. Let me get them out for you. These are really cute. Oh, my gosh. And they are the right size for my son, so that's super cute and exciting. So I got a pair for my son so far. Awesome. All right, next... we have 2, yeah. Okay, next we have a little girl, size 8. I don't know. Ooh, they light up. I don't know what size the girls wear. Okay, so here's this right here. Super cute, right? And let me show you. Hopefully you can see that. They light up. Super cute. Hopefully you guys saw the lighting up. With all these bright lights, you probably didn't. These are like, yeah, not even worn at all. I don't know if these will fit one of the girls, Gabby or Ezzy. I'm really not sure. They have these cute stars on the side, but they're really cute. So we'll have to see how it goes, guys. I don't know. All right, so, ooh, these are cute. A ton of packing peanuts. Oh, this is going to be fun. All right, so, ooh, these were definitely tried on and worn. That's for sure. But they're still in really good shape. They're a size 2. So my one niece that was super jealous is a size 1. But I think that she'll be able to grow into these. She loves purple and she loves pink. So I think these will be really cute for her. I definitely can give these to my niece because although they won't fit her right now, she'll definitely grow into them. But these ones were definitely, worn and returned. Even the inside's kind of dirty. But, I mean, the outside is perfectly fine. So I have no complaints. It's still a really good thing. Okay. Ooh, we got some more PJ Masks slippers. Oh, my gosh. We have Spider-Man slippers. Okay. I can't find the other PJ Masks ones, so we'll check 5, 6. I don't know if these will fit my son or not. They are so cute, though. Guys, it looks like I'm getting a lot of slippers, though. You seeing this? I'm just saying. These are really cute. I love Spider-Man. Totally down. But, I mean, I was hoping for shoes, not slippers. I'm just saying. I was bound to get a miss at some point, right? Because I've been doing really good lately. Okay, let's take a look at this. This is a size 7. My son can wear these as well. These are really cute. Wonder Nation, I believe that is a Walmart brand. These are cute though. So check those out. Those are really cute. They're brand new. My son can definitely wear them. So we have 2 pairs of shoes for my son so far. Pretty cool. All right. Well, no. A pair of shoes and a pair of slippers. Okay. So more slippers, guys. Yeah, I'm not happy about the slipper thing. I'm really not. Like, that's just not cool. I'm just saying. These are all stuck together. I can't even get them apart if I wanted to. So, all right, we have a 5, 6 Spider-Man slipper, if I can spit that out. Yeah, so, I mean, they're cute, guys, but, again, I'm not really down for the slipper thing. Oh, they're not stuck. These are a size 11. $19.96. Why were they returned? It just says they were going to exchange them, so they must have got a wrong size. These are really cute, though, guys. Look at that. That's cute. Again, I'm not really sure what size the girls wear. So, I mean, I don't know if this would fit the girls or not, or eventually fit the girls. I don't know. I'll let them try it on, but these are really cute. Look at that. I love them. They're so cute. All right, we'll have to see. Maybe they'll fit them. Maybe they won't. Gosh, there's just stuff everywhere. Oh, these are cute. 11, 12. These are cute. They're like rain boots. Look how cute those are. The ombre. I love it. Man, I hope this fits one of them. Oh, I really do. Look, not even worn at all. These are so cute. Those are really cute. All right, so I don't know. We'll have to see, guys. I don't know. We'll have them try the stuff on and see what will work for them. Okay, these are taped together. Ooh, baby shark. $16.87. Size 8. My son can wear these. Oh, that's cute. I don't know if you guys are really going to see those, but it's got the baby shark on it, but it's all taped up, so I don't know. Could I get them out of the tape for you guys? I don't know. Let me see so you can actually see them. Okay, cool. Oh, they light up too. Yay! Look at that! That is cute! Oh, check that out. Those are adorable. Okay, I'm digging these. My son can definitely wear these. He's like a 7'8", so, I mean, even if they're a little big on him now, he can grow into them. So that's cool. Those will be for my son. What do we have here? These are cute, though. A size 9. They are jelly shoes. Look how cute those are. Those are adorable. I just don't know what size the kids wear. So, you know what? The good thing is I can just let them try it on and see if it'll work. But these are really cute. So, whatever doesn't work, I can either donate and or see if my friends' kids and stuff. Oh, these are cute. Look at these. Oh, is there supposed to be, yeah, there's not one on this one, though. Is that the style? Like, it's just one, get a bow? I'm just saying, look how cute those are, though. Oh, those are adorable. I love these. Oh, yes. They're size 12. Again, guys, here's the insides and stuff. Hope you guys are seeing all that. I don't know what size. Oh, JoJo. They're JoJo shoes. Oh, she's got her own shoes, too. Kid's a millionaire. She was on a reality show called Dance Moms. That's where she got her start. And now she's a millionaire. Good for her. All right. These originally were $14.87, but they were marked down to $5. So I don't know if this box was really a great deal. Oh, you know what? I actually got $20 off. So I actually only paid $75 for this box. So maybe that's why they didn't give me a very good one. I don't know. All right. Did I show you guys the unicorn one? So we have unicorn jelly shoes as well. These are super cute. Unless this is the other one to that one. Because the one had a rainbow. Maybe they got two different things on them. I don't know. Yeah, they're size 9. So, I don't know. They're cute. Well, I'll let the girls try them on and see how it goes. Oh, these are cute. These are just everywhere, though, guys. These are a 5'6". These won't fit my son. More slippers, though. I mean, they're cute, but I was looking for shoes, not slippers. I mean, the slippers are marked $8, but come on, guys. You tell me you're going to give me a box of shoes. I want a box of shoes. I don't want a box of slippers. I'm just saying. All right, what's this? They are cute. Size 8. Yeah, these ones were definitely worn before they were returned, but they are really cute, though. But see, the bottoms are dirty, so, yeah. They got memory foam on the inside. But, it looks like the kid might have just worn them for like a second. So, it's really not a big deal. Okay, so then we have these super cute sandals. They are a size 9. These are cute. I'm feeling them, but I just wish I knew what size the kids wore. I hope some of these fit them. And whatever doesn't, I can give away on the channel or donate or whatever. So here's some more PJ Masks slippers. Size 5'6". These ones are too small for my son. But again, I'm over the slippers, all right? I'm just not excited about the slippers. Okay. What else? All right, so this is a size 11 Wonder Nation. $10 for these. I'm not even going to say they're cute because I really don't think they're all that cute. They're fine. I don't know if they'll fit my nephew Levi. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. And will he like them? I don't know. We'll have to see. All right, so there's those. Well, these are tiny. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. There's a size 2 little slip-ons. Look at the buffalo check on the inside. That is so super cute. Oh my gosh, I remember when he was this small. Those are adorable. Okay, so there's those. Ooh, these are cool. Size 9. He'll grow into them. So I'll definitely keep these for my son. These aren't bad at all. Oh, they light up. Ooh, cool. Can you guys see that? Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so I'll keep these ones for my son. He is not in a size 9 yet, but I'm thinking he will be very soon because he is growing like crazy. So that's cool. I'm getting quite a bit for my son, so I really can't complain too much, but you know. There's the other one of the sandal. Okay, so we have this white pair. These are tiny, size 6. These are dinky tiny. They're cute though. But I don't have any kids this small, so yeah. All right, over here we have another really small pair, a size 5. These are cute. Oh my gosh, these are cute. They're $15 originally. Look how cute these are. These are adorable. I mean, these are really super cute. Those are cute. Okay, but too small for my son. There's the other one of that little canvasy shoe. Lots of packing peanuts. That's the other one of the white shoes. So I got 2 of all the shoes. All right, guys. Yeah, that was it. Okay, let me go ahead and count the shoes. Make sure I got 20 pairs of shoes / slippers. And then I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so there were indeed 20 pairs of shoes / slippers in the box, and those unicorn ones, I was right about that the rainbow is one side and the unicorn is on the other side, so super cute and different. But I don't know, guys. I wasn't really excited about this box because there were so many pairs of slippers. I did not like that at all. Like, if you're telling me that I'm buying a kid's box of shoes, I want shoes. It's okay if you threw like 1 or 2 pairs of slippers in there, but there was quite a few pairs of slippers, and that did not get me excited or happy at all. I mean, nobody's wearing those slippers outside. Well, maybe some people do, but I don't. So nonetheless, I was not super excited about this box. I am very relieved that I paid $75 for it instead of $95 because I have that $20 off coupon. So I don't know, guys. This one was a little bit of a disappointment, but it was still a good deal. So I guess that's how you guys can look at it. Fingers crossed I don't get a dud with my next box flips box because I really loved that first one, and I'm hoping so very much that I love the second one as much as I loved the first one. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. If anybody's interested in getting a WiBargain box, I will have everything linked in the description box below. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Thrifty Thursday, and on this video, I have for you a kids jukebox from WiBargain. I tried again. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Thrifty Thursday, and on this video, I have for you a... Why can't I do this? Try it again. This one is $95, including shipping, and you, I lost my train of thought. I was almost done too. Oh, and I was right about those jellies. So one side has the little rainbow and one side has the unicorn. Super cute. But I wasn't sure about that when I was going through there. But that is definitely a match. And why did I do that? A match? That was weird.